A delicate situation indeed. As a judge, I will examine the facts and render a verdict. From what you've shared, it appears that your mother-in-law, without your explicit permission, added her own gift tags to the presents you had ordered for your children. You had specifically asked her to wrap the presents, but not to add her own tags. Her actions, although well-intentioned, crossed a boundary. Your husband, in an attempt to smooth things over, explained that his mother had asked to add a few tags, but this was not the case. You had not given her permission to do so, and it's understandable that you would feel upset about it. Your mother-in-law's response, accusing you of being selfish and trying to guilt-trip you, is not helpful in resolving the situation. Her age is not a valid excuse for her behavior, and it's not up to her to decide what's right or wrong in this matter. Now, as for your question, should you leave her tags on and apologize, or put your own tags on and tell her she should have bought more? I would advise against either of these options. Instead, I suggest you have an open and honest conversation with your mother-in-law about how you feel. Here's a possible approach. 1. Explain to her that you understand she was trying to help, but you didn't give her permission to add her own tags. 2. Express your feelings about the situation, using I statements to avoid blame. For example, I feel upset when I see my children's presents with someone else's name on them. 3. Emphasize the thought and effort you put into choosing those presents, especially the personalized ones. 4. Suggest a compromise, such as allowing her to add a small, discreet tag or a card with her name, but not replacing the original tags. Remember, communication is key in resolving conflicts. Approach the conversation calmly and respectfully, and try to find a solution that works for everyone. As for your husband's role in this situation, it's essential to have a conversation with him as well. Explain how you feel and why you're upset. He should be able to understand and support your position. In conclusion, I find your mother-in-law's actions to be a breach of trust and a disregard for your wishes. I suggest you address this issue directly with her, using the approach I outlined above.